The POWERWORKS Electric Pressure Washer 1700 offers impressive cleaning power with its 1700 psi water pressure and 1.2 gallons per minute flow rate, making it effective for removing tough dirt and grime from cars, gardens, and other outdoor surfaces. This pressure washer is designed for durability and convenience, featuring a 20-foot high-pressure hose that provides ample reach and flexibility for a variety of cleaning tasks. It comes with 3 interchangeable nozzles, allowing you to customize the water pressure for different needs, from gentle car washing to more demanding garden cleaning. Being PWMA certified, this pressure washer ensures reliable and efficient performance that meets industry standards, giving users confidence in its quality and effectiveness. Powered by a robust 13-amp motor, the POWERWORKS Electric Pressure Washer delivers consistent and powerful cleaning performance without the need for gas or oil, making it an environmentally friendly choice. Its compact and lightweight design not only enhances maneuverability, but also makes storage easy, adding to the overall user convenience.